Hello guys, I'm June and welcome to my channel. This is now episode 18 of my series of videos of matrix. On this video, we're going to discuss about lattice multiplication. The lattice method is an alternative to long multiplication for numbers. In this approach, a lattice is first constructed, sized to fit the numbers being multiplied. This is a really cool method for multiplying bigger numbers. It's a lot easier than the regular way, and it's kind of fun too. The lattice method helps organize the process of long multiplication into smaller steps. It can be complicated at first, but with practice, you might find that multiplying large numbers can be fun. On the next following video, I will show you how to do it. Without further ado, let's watch this video. Hello guys, for our first example in multiplying two numbers using lattice multiplication. Let's say we have 423 times 12. Operating this in calculator, we have 5,076. Now, at this point, I'm going to teach you on how to multiply these two numbers using lattice multiplication. As you notice, our first number is a 3-digit number and the second one is a 2-digit number. Okay, so first we're going to draw 3 rows and 2 columns of square. So 1, 2, 3, and we have 2 columns there. So we have 1, 2, 3 rows and 1, 2 columns. And next we're going to draw diagonal lines inside the squares. Okay, so 423, we're going to put it here. So we have 4, 2, and 3, and the 12, we put it here, 1 and 2. Okay, the next step is we're going to multiply the rows to the columns. Okay, so let's start. We have 4 times 1 and the answer is 4, and we put the answer here. This is the ones digit and this is the tens digit. Okay, then we have 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. The next, we have 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. And 3 times 2 is 6. Then the next step is we're going to add the numbers that in line with the diagonal. Okay? So, first, we have 6. Then we have 4 plus 3 equals to 7. 8 plus 2 equals to 10. We write 0 here and carry 1. Then we have 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. So therefore, 423 times 12 is equals to 5,076. Okay, I will give you another example. Let's say we have 657 times 23. So we have, in the first number we have 3 digits, and in the second number we have 2 digits. So we're going to draw 3 rows by 2 columns of squares. Okay, we have 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and 2 columns we have 1 and 2. Then we're going to draw diagonal lines. Then 657, we're going to put it here. So we have 6, 5, and 7. Then 23, we have 2 and 3. Then we start multiplying. We have 6 times 2 is 12. We write 1 and we write here 2. So that is 12. Then we have 5 times 2 is 10. So 1, 0. Then 7 times 2 is 14. So we have 1, 4. Next, we have 6 times 3 is 18. So we have 1, 8. Then 5 times 3 is 15. So we have 1, 5. And we have 7 times 3 is 21. So we have 2 and 1. Remember guys that this one is your tens and this is your ones. Okay? Then we're going to add. So we have 1. Then 5 plus 2 plus 4 is equals to 11. Then write 1 and carry 1. Okay? Then we have 8 plus 1 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. So we write 1 and carry 1. Okay, the next we have 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, then we have plus 1. So we write 1 here. So therefore, 657 times 23 is equals to 15,111. Moving on to our next example. Let's say we have 243 times 157. So both number is a 3 digits number. Okay? So we're going to draw 3 rows by 3 columns of squares. Okay? So we have 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and we have 3 columns, 1, 2, and 3. So next we're going to draw a diagonal line. Then 243, we have 2, 4, 3. Then 157, 1, 5, 7. Then we're going to multiply. We have 2 times 1 is 2. 4 times 1 is 4. 3 times 1 is 3. Next, 2 times 5 is 10. So we have 1, 0. 4 times 5 is 20. So we have 2, 0. Then we have 3 times 5 is 15. So we have 1, 5. Then next we have 2 times 7 is equals to 14. So we have 1, 4. Then we have 4 times 7 equals to 28. So we have 2, 8. Then 3 times 7 is 21. So we have 2 and 1. Next, we're going to add. So we have 1. Then we have 8 plus 2 plus 5 is equals to 15. So we have 5 and carry 1. Okay. 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So we have 1 and carry 1. Okay, next we have 1 plus 2 plus 4 is 7 plus 1, then we have 8. Next we have 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. Okay? So therefore, 243 times 157 is equals to 38,151. Okay guys, moving on to our last example. Let's say we have 1,423 times 215. So we have, in the first number, we have a 4 digits number, and in the second one, we have 3 digits number. Therefore, we're going to draw 4 rows by 3 columns of squares. Okay? Then draw a diagonal line. So 1,423, we have here 1, 4, 2, and 3. And for the 215, we have 2, 1, and 5. Okay, we're going to multiply. So we have 1 times 2 is equals to 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. And 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, let's proceed. We have 1 times 1 is 1. 4 times 1 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. The next we have 1 times 5 is 5. 4 times 5 is 20. So we have 2 and 0. So we have 2 times 5 is 10. So we have 1 here and 0. The next we have 3 times 5 is 15. So we have 1 and 5. Then we're going to add. So we have here 5. The next we have 1 plus 3 is 4. Then we have 1 plus 2 plus 6 is equals to 9. Then we have 5 plus 2 plus 4 and plus 4 is equals to 15. So we write 5 here and carry 1. The next we have 1 plus 8 is 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. So we write 0 and carry 1. Then lastly we have 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So therefore 1,423 times 215 is equals to 305,945. Okay guys, there you have it. I hope you have learned a lot from this video in multiplying two numbers using lattice multiplication. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Thank you for watching my episode 18 of Matrix. I hope you have learned a lot from this video. Don't forget to like my video, leave comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Until next video, bye for now.
How'd you get so